Did you know in Toronto, 52% of greenhouse gas emissions are coming from homes and buildings? That means your home and my home.
At the Urban Retrofit, we're planting the seeds for more energy-efficient buildings in the Greater Toronto and Hamilton area.
We're taking one step closer to this future by building a website for your retrofitting needs.
On this website, you can find lots of information on making Toronto greener.
Together, let's set our seeds, strengthen our roots, and grow a sustainable future. You can learn more about our website at theurbanretrofit.com.